Tigilan niyo yan. Sorry, kids. We couldn't give you that complete family. But you have two families, lovely.
Humingi ng sorry si megastar Sharon Cuneta kay Casey Concepcion dahil hindi niya nabigay ang happy family kasama si Gabby Concepcion noon. Imbis mag-ayos, mas pinili na lang nilang matapos ang pagsasama nila upang hindi na maapektuhan ang nasa paligid nila. Sa Dear Heart concert nga ay nagbigay ng madamdaming mensahe si Sharon Cuneta habang nasa stage sila ng kanyang anak na si Casey Concepcion. Narito ang buong video.
Three of us stand here together. Like the family we once were, and always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together. I'm not alone.
I'm glad you came last night.
But this was a surprise.
Yes.
I just found this out.
This is impromptu.
Last
Biglaan.
night.
Ang galing mag-aral nito kasi alam mo naman, nasayo ko man.
Hindi ko lang din na mag-aaralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Casey. You have a song for her too.
Sing that song.
Usually this song is sung as a love song for weddings, so someone you love. Tonight I will sing it for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there is anything I regret, tigilan niyo yan. Sorry, kids. We couldn't give you that complete family. But you have two families. And Papa and I never stopped loving you. And you were never the problem. I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holding hands. Huwag ka masyado chill kasi lagi mong kasama. May naman ng konti.
Makita ko lang okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Mag-i-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa, pa, ma. May crush na. I know. Kunyari ka pa, pa.
Sandali lang.
Oh, confirm.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa kanyang papa niya. Sabi niya, I know. Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa na. Oo. Sige, kaya nga pagbibigyan kita. Congrats. Thank you. Grabe, para naman ako nasa isang panaginip. Naku, ano kaya nangyari dyan? Huwag kayo, ikaw marites ka. Just nasa yan eh. Kinikilig ang... This is for you, Tutu. This is for you, Kukay, Kachuchay, Katutay, Tuti, Tutut, my baby girl.
Maganda na ito dahil nagpakumbaba na lang si Sharon Cuneta at nilinaw ang mga tampuhan nila ni Casey Concepcion. Hindi naman naiwasan na purihin si megastar sa kanyang ginawa. Madaming natuwa sa ipinakita niyang pagiging magulang sa bata. Yun lamang po, ano ang masasabi mo sa balitang ito, comment mo sa ibaba. Huwag kakalimutan i-like ang video na ito. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.